Hello viewers, I greet you all. One of my students sent this to me to solve the value of x in this question. It's a very simple question. Now, but you need to read and understand the question very well before you can solve it. You understand? You just need to calm down. You don't rush this kind of question. Just calm down, read the question very well before you can get the value of x. You understand? You create an equation, solve for the value of x. Now let's see the question. They say a man will be x plus 10 years old in 8 years time. They say a man will be x plus 10 years old in 8 years time. That means in the future is going to be, in 8 years time is going to be this age. And they say if 2 years ago, that means 2 years backward, he was 63 years. Now say find the value of x. We don't even know the present age of this man, but they have given us clue for us to get the value of x here. So what we are going to do is to find the value of x by using a variable or suggesting the value of the present age of this man. So what are we going to do here? We will say, okay, a man will be x plus 10 years old in 8 years time. Okay, so what you will say, let the present age of the man be equals to y. You can use any letter of your choice. Let the present age of the man be equals to what? Y. Because we don't even know the age of this man. They only gave us his age in 8 years time, and they also gave us his age 2 years backward, which is 63 years. So we don't actually know the present age of the man. So we now say let the present age of the man be what? Y. So in the sentence they say in 8 years time, okay, in 8 years time we say the man's age will be equals to, in 8 years time it's going to be y plus 8. We add 8 to his age since we have said that let his age be what? Y. So we are going to add 8 years to the present age, which is y. So that will give us y plus 8. Okay. Now, from the sentence, you can see that they've already given us the value, the age of the man to be x plus 10 in 8 years time. So we can quickly say that y plus 8 is equal to, since we've created this, we've suggested that the y should be the present age, and in 8 years time we are going to have y plus 8. And in the equation they said in 8 years time his age is this, so we equate this to x plus 10. So you can call this equation 1. Okay, you can call this equation 1. Then the next thing, let's look at the next sentence. They say if 2 years ago, so 2 years ago, he said the man's age is going to be, so we know that the present age is y, so 2 years ago we are going to subtract 2 from the present age, so that will be y minus 2. You understand? That will be y minus what? 2. And they gave us his age as being 63 years. You understand? His age was 63 years 2 years ago. So since this is the man's age 2 years ago, we are going to say y minus 2 equals to what? 63. So this will give us another equation. We say equation what? 2. Is that okay? So now we can get the value of y here. So we can say that y will be equals to 63. If you solve this equation 2, if you take this negative 2 After crossing this equality becomes positive. So that will be y equals to 63 plus 2 is what? 63 plus 2, that will give us 65 years. 65 years. That is the man's age. That is the present age of the man. But in the question, they didn't ask us to find the value of y. They did not even give us the present age of the man. They asked us to find the value of x. So since we've gotten the value of y to be 65, so we can easily substitute y and get x in equation 2. So we say substitute y equals to what? 65 in equation 1, equation 2, to find x. So that will give us, that will now give us in equation 2, we have, we have y plus 8 equals to what? X plus 10. So y is what? 65. So that will be 65 plus 8 equals to x plus 10. So let me clean this. If I clean this question, in this other side, so we have that we're having 65 plus 8, let me write it again, 65 plus 8 equals to x plus 10. So if you 65 plus 8 is what? That will give us 73 equals to what? X plus 10. So if you take positive 10, after crossing an equality, it will be what? Negative. So we have 73 minus 10 equals to what? X. So that is you are subtracting 10 from both sides. So that will give you x. This my marker is not clear. So that will give us x will be equals to 73 minus 10 is what? That will be 63. So the value of x is what? Is 63. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.